Unit 1, Graded Reader 1, The Baking Day. Unit 1, Graded Reader 1, The Baking Day.
Arwa and Urij are baking a cake today. The children bake in pairs. Arwa and Urij are hard-working, but Arwa is more confident than Urij. Arwa is also kind and the friendliest person at the baking day.
I never bake cakes. This is my first cake. I'm good at baking cakes. Let's work together. I can help you.
Urij reads the recipe. She gets a bag of sugar, some butter, and some flour. She counts the eggs. There are 3 bowls.
The blue bowl is smaller than the red bowl, and the yellow bowl is the smallest. Let's use the red bowl. The red bowl is the biggest.
Urij and Arwa are very tidy. They tidy up the eggs, sugar, butter, and flour. But there is a problem with the cake.
This recipe is for 8 people. Did we count badly? I think we baked a cake for 80 people.
Later, they take the cake from the oven. It's the biggest cake ever. It's taller than Arwa and Urij. It's the most delicious cake too.
Thank you for helping me, Arwa. The cake is amazing. Next week, let's make a pizza. I'm not very good at making pizzas, so you can help me.